Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, December 7th, 2015. We start off another week that is going to be mild for much of the northern mid-Atlantic. Really all of it. I mean, we're going to be talking about temperatures around 60 degrees by next weekend. Now that is mild when we should be around 45. But remember, like last year, we saw the same pattern last year, and then we saw the evolution of what happened thereafter. So certainly enjoy this weather while it lasts. Currently, this morning, we have temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s in your suburbs and northern interior. Along the immediate coast and in your urban areas, you have temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. Winds are light and variable, and we do have some low clouds here and there. The visibility isn't all that bad, though. Generally over 3 miles where the low clouds are located and some of the fog. Otherwise, we're talking about 6 miles of visibility. On the latest surface map, not really much going on. High pressure is in place over the northern mid-Atlantic. We have a trough over the Ohio River Valley and a stationary front along the coast, and these two features will interact, leading to a coastal low pressure system developing tonight, but that low pressure system will remain well off the mid-Atlantic coast. As far as the radar, you can see a few very light echoes of what looks like to be showers starting to develop off the coast here. Nothing's reaching the ground, but it's kind of a precursor of what we can expect for tomorrow, with a few isolated showers here and there. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see the development of that coastal low. See how we have a little bit of convection trying to develop here. This is the beginnings of a new low pressure system off the South Carolina coast that will track east-northeast and remain well out into the Atlantic, but close enough to produce a few isolated showers, especially right along the coast. And that's going to all be driven by this disturbance right here in the Ohio River Valley that will dive towards the mid-Atlantic coast. So let's dive into our forecast. For today, look for increasing clouds as high pressure exits, highs in the mid to upper 50s. Tonight, clouds will continue to increase. You may see an isolated shower right along the coast. It's going to continue to develop on through tomorrow morning as that low pressure system tracks well out into the Atlantic again. Most locations will remain dry, but there is an isolated shower here or there. Temperatures tomorrow morning will fall into the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, where I expect dry conditions, and along the coast, mid 30s to lower 40s, depending on your location as far as urban heat island effect. By the afternoon, there will be an isolated threat for a shower. Other than that, look for scattered cloud cover. Look for highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. And on Wednesday, scattered cloud cover can be expected, but lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s and highs in the lower 50s. On Thursday, we're going to have a warm front and an area low pressure move through with a few scattered showers. Not really that much of a big deal, but could see a shower here or there in the afternoon. Lows in the mid 40s, highs in the lower to mid 50s. Then for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, high pressure is going to be in control for the most part. There's going to be a warm front that's going to be near the region, but all the precipitation is going to be focused towards New England. So we'll generally remain dry. What we will be is very warm. So on Friday, look for lows in the mid 40s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Saturday, lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And on Sunday, lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Finally, by the time we get to Monday, that area low pressure over the Great Lakes will start to force a cold front through the region, with some scattered showers expected. Look for lows in the mid 40s, highs in the lower to mid 50s. So our mild weather pattern will remain in place through the next 7 days. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.